Focus. Nei, jeg vet ikke om jeg skal snakke norsk eller engelsk i denne vloggen. Så vi starter på norsk nå. Ja. Fordi nå skal vi dra og hoppe fra en bro. Jeg vet ikke hvor høy den er.
Vi hoppas at den er...
Tatt på oss våtdrakt.
Kanskje 3 meter?
Ja, ikke så mye mer.
Det hadde vært lagom.
Dere klare?
Ja, vi er klare.
TV.
Han er ny våtdrakt.
Du ser bra ut.
Nei, fy faen. Kan du gjøre det?
Har du... Nei.
Jo, den er bak og frem.
Nei,
vi står bak og frem.
Litt bak, og så... Herregud.
Ja, du bare lener litt bak, og så bare hopper du. Og så kontrollerer du.
En først. Jeg er dritredd.
Det går helt fint.
Jeg er sjukt redd.
Det har du.
Hadde vi aldri gjort det før? Shit.
Ja, det var snyggt. Det var bra at du gjorde det.
Ja, det var jævlig deilig.
Det så skitlett ut.
Gjorde det?
Ja.
Ok, det skal jeg gjøre.
2.
Kamera 1, kamera 2. Sjekk.
Kamera 2. Check. Nå kjære meg her. Nå er det kamera på nå. This is the most extreme challenge. Hello. Woo!
Ja. Det er gøy. Ja, det var bra.
Takk for filmet.
No props. Over and out.
Hello and good morning. We are on our way to the glacier, and it's raining. It's been raining every day since we got here, and we like it. It's about 30 minutes drive up. A small road goes like this. That's how it is in Norway. These roads are kind of scary. If you meet a car, it's not really space for two. Hopefully you don't meet anyone. And you can see how it looks up there. Yay. Okay. Her så vi mye. So we are here. It is not... You can see nothing. Like that's supposed to be the slope. It's nothing there. What can you do? I guess we need to wait for the visibility to be better. Okay, we are out.
Hedvig Fonna.
Yep, as you can see, it is kind of white outside. See here? Course over there. Yeah, okay, can you see the mogul course? It's right there, can't you see? It's not really the perfect day for filming. And we are not, I mean, we can't see the bumps. My first run, I couldn't see the bump in front of me. We're not jumping today, we're just skiing. We're just gonna do a couple of runs and then that's it for today. The good thing is that we have good clothes that make us not wet. Yeah. So that's mogul course. We need to wash up our skis because there's so much salt in the snow. It was a good day on the hill. not the perfect weather, but you never really get that. And I think it's important to take what you get and make the best of it. I was kind of in a bad mood this morning, but I am really happy that we went up and just did some runs. Because it was so bad visibility, we kind of made it easier, so I skied slower and then I had more time to think. So I was really focusing on my arms, and I was, I had a pretty good runs out of what we had, and I think that's important some days. So let's get this off us. Whoa. And get down.